Quite often, names change in plant is a big riddle to many. Quite often, many students of botany, including even seasonal taxonomists, are perplexed when somebody suggests that, sir, the new name is XX and YY. For common man, it does not make any difference, but to a person studying plant for academic purposes, research purposes, or utilitarian aspect and understanding of the latest accepted name is a must. Once we understand the basic of plants naming, it will be easier to understand the process of the we have to take the better pill of learning the new names, which actually is the oldest name. Before internet and the latest communication strategies because available mostly in the last 2 decades, people had access to books and journals to a limited extent in library, and almost every scientist work in isolation of some taxonomist get a new plant. He or she used to give it a scientific name, prepare a typical herbarium called type specimen and deposited in a well-known herbarium and published in same journal or books having a wide circulation. But at times, many journals may not have such wider circulation, including that many other botanists in world might not know about this discovery. For example, a botanist A, capital A, gave the botanical name Centella asiatica, the Brahmi plants, say in Germany, without knowing that the plant is already named. Another scientist, say from Russia, gave the same plant the name, that is Hydrocotyle asiatica. The latter name became more popular. Thus, periwinkle was known as Vinca rosea at same place and by the name Catharanthus roseus at the same other places. Same is the case with Hygrophila spinosa, which is known as Asteracantha longifolia. Similarly, different plants were given different names at different region and various time, but when the photographs or type specimen of these plants or photographs are compared, it comes to light that both the names denote a single plant. to solve this puzzle, ICBM, that is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, has a solution that the name given prior should be the correct name, which is to be accepted. This provision is known as rule of priority. Actually, name changes are correcting the mistakes of the plant. All other names of the same plants are known as synonyms. We should be extremely proud to know that the first great work on a taxonomy of the word, that is Hortus Mulbericus, meaning Garden of Mulberry, was written in India by Hendrik van Reding and Itti A. Chothan Vallier in 1678. The former was a governor at Dutch Malabar at that time. The book was being translated into English and published by the University of Kerala. This book comprises of 12 volumes of about 500 pages, each with 794 copper plates. Engaging the first of the 12 volumes of the book was published in 1678 and the last in 1693. When we resemble the Linnaeus, called as father of taxonomy, wrote his Piscis Plantarum in 1753, that is after about 80 years, and Bentham and Hooker wrote Genera Plantarum in 1863 after a gap of 180 years. We can similarly claim that India produced the first scientific book on botany. Thus, book was first written in Malayalam, translated to Latin. It resembled in obliteration for about 2.5 centuries and would have recommended so, but the students' effort of Professor K. Manilal, who translated the whole book over a period of 35 years, the first English translation of the book was published in 2003. Okay.